Hello fellow crafters, today I'm bringing you along in a very short video just to show you the progress I have done with some of my decluttering, destashing, in this case my paper stashing. Now what I wanted to show you is what I started with. This is a regular size bin, my table with a couple of the items that I'm sorting and going through. I'm picking and making sure of what I want to do. One of the things that I have most of is paper. And there's my Millie. Here's another side of the other side of the table and how I'm sorting. I am using my dining room table to get things in order. At the end, I was happy with the results that I had, and I just wanted to go ahead and at least start on one bin. Now, that might have been a big task at the beginning, but I think all in all, I got something done that I can be happy about. The main thing was my stickers. I started with this bin. There is much more stickers to go through. So these are some of the papers. Like I said, some are Christmas. This is my handy dandy notebook, my envelopes, the stickers in question, and I am just going through a lot of the stuff that is in the bin and sorting them in a kind of organized fashion. And the results did come with a happy smile on my face. Here is the rest of the stuff. Those are the ephemera and some of the embellishments that I've been organizing in these photo pages. Those are the pages. Here is the envelopes I was talking about, and here are the envelopes. Sorry about the angle of the camera. I just wanted to show you how I put the stickers in the envelopes to organize just a little. I do need more, so I do need to stop at Hobby Lobby and get some more. And this is a very close-up, but here is one of them. It's labeled family. The next one is beach or summer alphas. This one, it's a fall. I got that one. And this one is love. Not necessarily Valentine's Day, but anything that is love. This one is the Christmas one. Of course, it would probably be the biggest one since that's most of what I have in my stash is Christmas items, papers, and anything you can think of. I did put everything together. Stay tuned. There is more to come in the next couple of videos. Bye for now.